Hello everyone, I am Indumari, currently pursuing second year Bachelor of Pharmacy in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I am here to explain about staining techniques under Center for Learning and Teaching. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important component of microbiology. It helps in proving the between cellular elements, gram-positive and gram-negative bacterial monophytes. Staining technique is a basic step of microscopy which enhance the context of microscopic image. The main advantage of the staining are provides contrast between microorganisms and their backgrounds, permits study of internal structures of bacterial stains. Dyes, stains and different techniques of staining with the conjugation of microscopes are used to highlight the structures of biological tissues and cells. Stains are used to study bulk tissues, cellular population, organelles within the individual cells. Fixing. Before staining, it is essential to fix the bacterial sample on the slide. Smear is prepared in the following ways. A wire loop place a small drop of broad culture or a loop full of bacteria on a clean slide. Place a drop of water over the loop. Spread the culture so as it to form a thin film. Allow slide to dry in air or by holding it above on a flame. Avoid excess heating. The purpose of fixation is to kill the microorganisms. There are types of staining techniques. Staining technique is divided into two types, simple staining and differential staining. Simple staining is further divided into negative staining and monochrome staining, whereas differential staining is classified into gram staining and acid force staining. Let's see about differential staining. Gram staining is developed by Christine Gram in 1884. By using this procedure, bacteria is divided into different types on their reactions to their stain. Gram staining requires 4 different solutions. That is, the first one is a basic dye, that is crystal violet. Second, mordant. It increases the affinity or attraction between the cell and the dye. And a decolorizer, which removes the dye from the stained cell. The last is counter stain. It is a basic dye of different color than the individual one. Principle. The differential response of the gram reaction is attributed by the difference in the cell wall of bacteria. Gram negative bacteria have a thinner cell wall, whereas gram positive bacteria have a thicker cell wall. The crystal violet iodine complex can be extracted and the gram negative organism is decolorized. The pore size decreases, permeability is reduced, and this complex cannot be extracted. Hence, the cell remains purple violet. While in gram negative bacteria, the amount of peptidoglycan is very low, hence the cross linking is reduced, thus making space for crystal violet iodine complex to escape. Procedure. We have to prepare a smear on the clean slide. Stain the smear with a crystal violet and place it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, rinse with water. Then add grams iodine and allow to act on the slide for 30 seconds. Then rinse it with water. Add a decolorizer, that is 90% alcohol. Then rinse it with water. Then last counter stain, that is saffron, is added and left in the slide for 20 to 30 seconds. And then rinse it with water and it is blood dye. And it is examined under oil immersion objective microscope. The bacteria which retains the stain are called gram negative bacteria, whereas the bacteria which do not retain the gram stain are called gram negative bacteria. The difference between gram positive and gram negative. Gram positive bacteria have a simple cell wall, whereas gram negative bacteria have more complex cell wall. Then gram positive bacteria have thick peptidoglycan cell wall layer. Gram negative bacteria have thin peptidoglycan cell layer. There is no outer lipopolysaccharide wall layer in gram positive, whereas in gram negative, outer lipopolysaccharide wall layer is present. Gram positive bacteria retains the crystal violet or iodine color, whereas gram negative bacteria retains the saffron color. Gram positive bacteria appears blue or purple color. Gram negative bacteria appears pink or red color. Then I have given a resource link. You can search on it. Thank you.